In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on chat history in Claude AI. The idea is simple. You want your conversations to be saved so you can come back to them later. To do that, you'll start fresh and make sure you're in the standard chat mode, not the private one. Begin by opening Claude and starting a new chat. Think of this as creating a clean slate where everything you write can be stored for future reference. Make sure you're using a normal browsing window and that you're not in private or incognito browsing at the browser level. Then, once you're in Claude, the key is to avoid enabling its incognito mode. You'll see a small ghost icon in the upper right corner of the interface. That ghost is the switch for incognito. If you interact with it, you're telling Claude not to save your conversation. Since your goal is to keep history on, don't click the ghost icon. Here's why this matters. Incognito mode is designed for temporary, private chats. It's great for quick tests or sensitive drafts, but anything you write in that mode won't be saved to your history. If you stay out of incognito, Claude will keep your conversation, and you'll be able to find it later in your chat list. If you ever notice that your recent messages aren't appearing in your history, it usually means the ghost icon was used and incognito was active at some point. So the rule of thumb is simple. Start a new chat and don't engage the ghost. A few tips to make your saved history more useful. At the start of your chat, provide a clear topic or a short summary of what you're working on. That way, when you scan your saved conversations later, you can quickly find the right thread. Keep related questions in the same chat to maintain context, which makes the history more valuable. And if you're working across multiple topics, open separate new chats so your history remains organized. Remember, once a chat is saved, you can return to it, scroll through your previous messages, and continue right where you left off. If you ever tested something in incognito, don't expect it to show up later, because that's exactly what incognito is designed to prevent. That's all there is to it. Start a new chat in Claude, stay in the standard mode, and avoid clicking the ghost icon so your conversation is saved to history.